everybody, I'm back. For those of you who do not know me, let me just quickly introduce myself. My name is Tamara and I run the beauty and travel blog Loverofshades.com. So today I'm featuring another look featuring the It's My RayeRaye palette. I already did a previous look, so if you haven't seen that, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could drop that link somewhere in this video. Go ahead and give that go ahead and check that out and give it a thumbs up if you like it. But today is going to be featuring this look. I really love this look. It's kind of sultry, it's kind of cute, it's kind of nice. So if you want to get a similar look or even better, go ahead and stay tuned and let's get started. Okay everybody, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my It's My RayeRaye palette and I'm going to take that color Sunset. As you can see here, it's kind of like an orange pinkish color, and with my crease brush I'm actually going to apply it into my crease using the windshield wiping method. Now if you followed me in previous videos, you know that I tend to always use this method anytime I'm applying any color into my crease. I just really like how it blends out, and I like that method because it also helps give a great contrast, which is always something that we're trying to go for. Moving on, we're going to go ahead and select the color Midnight. Midnight is that deep plum color with a hint of black, and with the same crease brush I'm going to apply this shade into the crease. Now you notice how I'm lightly tapping the shade before blending it out. That's because I know how pigmented this color is and I don't want it to overpower the whole crease look. So just please remember, anytime you're trying out a new shade or new shadow or even a new pigment, just lightly tap it on before fully blending it out and fully applying it, just because you don't want to have to take off the makeup, and you know that's a little bit of a waste of time. But just go ahead and make sure that you do it to the other side, and you see how it has this nice contrast. That's the look that we're going for. That's the look that we're aiming for. You just want to have it to where it looks seamless and it blends out well. And sorry for the out of focus, it might do that a few times in the video. I apologize, I didn't know that it was doing that while recording. But that nice blend, that nice contrast, that's the look we're going for. Going to the next color, we're actually going to select Black Beauty. Now Black Beauty is black, so like I said before with the Midnight, you have to lightly tap. This color is extremely pigmented. You see how I'm lightly tapping, and you see how dark that black is showing up. You have to be very careful with this color. However, don't count the color out because it is a beautiful blend to any eye look that you're trying to do with this palette. So after lightly tapping it out, you're going to rub off any excess powder onto like a makeup wipe or even like a paper towel, and then just go ahead and blend that out. Do not forget, and feel free to shear it out as much as you want. The more you shear it out, the better. For someone like me that has deeper sockets, you don't want to leave it as dark as it is now, just because it will look like somebody literally punched you in your eye. But when it comes to blending it out for the crease, on your lid, anywhere, for the most part, it is a beautiful color. So please do not count out Black Beauty. Gorgeous color. Now I'm taking my cream palette. You can select any color you want. Just make sure you select a lighter shade. And I'm going to go ahead and select this shade here just to give it a pop. But you're going to apply this onto your lid. Now I'm not doing a cut crease look today. I'm going for a more concentrated look. So I'm just literally giving it this small like little oval shape, or half oval shape, half moon shape, or that's a better way to say it. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. You will see why I'm doing it like this in a second. But make sure you do not spread it across your whole lid, or just focusing on the middle of the lids. The next shade that we're going to use is called Friday. Friday is this berry purple shade. And what we're going to do is with a detail brush, we're going to apply this onto the same area that we applied the cream on the upper lid. Now with the detail brush, like I said, we're going to actually use the packet method. So you notice how I'm concentrating and putting it across just the cream only, but I'm using a packet method. I'm literally packing the color in. The reason why I'm doing it is because I want it to pop. And if the shade so happens to come out a little sheer, what you could do is lightly, and when I say lightly, y'all, I mean lightly wet the brush and then go ahead and apply the shade again. It will pop up way more vibrant. So don't forget, you could also do that as well. You could also use your finger if you want, but I want to use the detail brush just because, again, I'm focusing on detail. Next, we're going to take the color Passion. Passion is that deep purple, but it's kind of like a shimmer. And with the detail brush, the same detail brush, I'm just going to apply this only to the outer corners of where we applied the Friday color. I just want to help give it that contrast into this nice sultry look. That's the look I'm going for today. The next color that we're using is called Tiffany. Tiffany is this berry purple type color, however, it's with a shimmer. This time I'm going to be using my finger and I'm going to apply that directly on the upper lids. Now you notice how I'm lightly tapping. That's because a little goes a long way. Listen y'all, please don't go ahead and get to poking your eye out, and if you do, don't blame me because I'm telling you to lightly tap, okay? But you see how this shade is coming out. You see how this look is coming. The contrast with the colors is coming out very well. We're not only trying to get taken out for Valentine's Day, we trying to snatch souls, okay? Moving on, we're taking the shade Allison. Allison is this white gold type of shade. It's also a shimmer. Again, with my finger, I'm going to apply that directly upon the Tiffany shade. This is just helping it give it more of a pop. It already has a pop now, so if you like it with just a Tiffany on there, that's fine. You can leave it like that. But if you really want that pop, you really want to mesmerize these people with your eyes, go ahead and put that Allison on. Trust me on this one, all right? Now I'm taking my crease brush and I'm just going over anywhere that I place a deeper shade just to make sure that the contrast again is good and that it blends out seamlessly. So this is just making sure we're just doing a little cleanup. Now I'm taking my black NYX eyeliner pencil and I'm simply lining my waterline. Right after, I'm going to go back to the palette and take the color Sunset, and with my detail brush, I'm going to blend out the sunset color along my waterline. And after that, you could go ahead and apply some mascara. I did that off camera, but for the most part, that completes our eye look. Now I'm taking the Brownie Bite contour color from the It's My RayeRaye palette, and with my sculpting brush, I'm lightly tapping. Why? Because it's highly pigmented. I'm lightly tapping anywhere that I want to contour, such as under my cheeks, around my big old forehead, because Lord know I got a big forehead, but y'all see those edges though? They lit, right? And then I also go ahead and do the contour under my jawline, and hell, I even do my neck too. I'm trying to look snatched. I'm trying to look chiseled. I'm trying to look like I ain't got no fat. That's the point, right? Now I'm taking my Morphe 9 shade blush palette and I'm just choosing random colors, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply my blush now. I am really loving this look, y'all. Really loving this look. Moving on to highlight, I'm taking the shade Radiant. It is highly pigmented, and with my highlighting brush, I'm lightly tapping it onto my cheekbones as well as the side of my temples. After that, I'm going to blend it out. I also use a beauty blender to do the same thing as well, just to make sure it seeps in and it looks very natural. But you see that? It looks lit. I love this palette, y'all. But in the next frame, I'm going to finish up my look and give you my final thoughts. We're pretty much done here. Okay everybody, so this is the final look. Again, today I am featuring the It's My RayeRaye palette. Now the thing about this palette that is so unique is that it has 3 different features. The first one is that it comes with 21 eyeshadows. The second thing is that it comes with 3 highlighters, and lastly it comes with 3 contour shadows. I really like this palette. The main thing is I love how pigmented the colors are. As I said in a previous video, when I first bought the palette I was very nervous about the shadows being too opaque or not showing up that well, but they show up great. As you can see, look at these eyes. The color payoff is amazing. Also with the highlight, I have the highlight and the contour shade. It comes up very well. I think that it will show up on deeper tones, as in of course it's going to show up on lighter tones, but yes, I highly recommend this palette. So again, this is the final look. I love this palette, would highly recommend it. If you have this palette, go ahead and drop your thoughts and your comments in the comment section below. Of course, I'm gonna list everything that I used in today's look in the description box. If you have any questions, have any concerns, anything like that, or even if you have your looks that you wanna share, go ahead and drop that in the comment box below. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and then actually head over to my Instagram because I'm actually doing a special giveaway in lieu of Valentine's Day featuring this palette. So if you want to enter that contest, it's very easy steps. Head over to my Instagram. My Instagram is Loverofshades. Same thing for my Facebook, and then of course Loverofshades here. Subscribe to that channel, and then lastly follow me on my blog, which is Loverofshades.com, where I cover all things beauty and all things travel. So again, have any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comment box. But until next time, I will see you guys later, and God bless. Bye. Okay everybody, so this is the final look. Again, today I am featuring the It's My RayeRaye palette. So again, It's My RayeRaye, it comes with 3 different features. The first one is 21 eyeshadows, the second one is 3 highlighters, and then 3 contour shadows. So I really like the palette. I love how pigmented it is. Look at these eyes. I gotta do it again.